Hey guys, today we are making stools for a bathroom. This came back from the wood store. And safety first. I'm wearing my SWAT helmet. Look, see right there.
Yep. All right, you ready? Let's get started.
Okay guys, so this is our diagram. So we're gonna go 7 pieces, and I got this like mark. This look. I'm not good.
All right.
It scratches up.
That's all right.
Oh, yeah, I know.
You ready to start?
Yeah.
All right, let's get it.
So guys. I'll get my marker.
Pull the trigger right there. Where you want them?
In the passenger seat, and if you want a piece of this one, we can put it right here. These are Daddy. 11. So I'll get some of these. Just keep holding them.
All right. Oh, got one. All right.
So my bag is full, but the front, yeah, it's not full.
All right, we gotta cut some more.
Okay.
All right, come on.
Okay.
All right, pull trigger. One more. Good job. Do the other side.
Yeah. I'm gonna glue it.
Ready? You don't want to do too much, okay? There you go. All right, good.
I kind of did it double speed.
That's all right. All right, hold on. I'll get that.
Can I do staples again?
Mm-hmm.
I want to do a few staples.
All right, good. You gotta hold it at the right angle, okay? Right there. Hold on, hold on. All right.
I want to put it on. This, I don't think this would hold me.
It will once you get it all on there.
And can I get out the paint?
When it's done.
Okay. Oh, do you want me to just like get it out so it's ready?
No, we're good. It's ready. All right. All right, now.
We're done.
One done. Now we gotta do 3 more.
3 more?
I'm building 3 of them, man.
But why do we have 3? Alright guys, so that is good. See this orange little tool right here? This is a staple gun. We use it so we can put in the staples. Now I'm gonna try it.
Yep, come on. Yep. All right.
I'm doing it.
Take it off. Push it back. All right. One more. Good job.
Are we done?
One more. This side.
That's it.
What happened?
You're home.
Hold on. Don't shoot my hand, boy. All right, go ahead. All right. All right.
I'm reloading. I was
job.
reloading.
Good job, dude.
Alright guys, time to put everything together. I don't put that. On top.
Alright. Need put it right on this side and this side.
So you need glue on this side and this side.
Go ahead. Right up here. Come the other side if it's easier.
Easier.
Just a little circle right there. Alright. Good job.
Now the other side.
Yep. Alright, good job.
That was easy.
Yep. On it. Now pull the trigger. There you go. Alright. Now one more on your own up top. Push it. Now pull the trigger. There you go. Good job.
Are we done?
Yep. We're getting there. One more.
Okay. Alright guys, Dad actually letting me do the game.
Alright, go ahead. There you go.
Dad's actually saying everybody not talking.
Yeah.
Get every little crevice.
That's right. Looking good.
Get mine, Daddy.
I see ya.
The spray machine broke, so now we have to hand paint everything. That sucks.
Well,
What?
yeah, it's not looking like it.
He's not even good painting out here. Yeah, bro. He should be better.
Should be. Yeah.
Why did you do that?
Can't be good at everything.
The beginning right here?
Yep.
Right here?
Yep. All right, go. There. That's it.
I successed. For my
Good job.
first time in the world.
Hey. All right.
Right here?
Yep.
This is how you professional it. How you professional do it. Nice.
What are you doing?
I'm glossing it.
Glossing it. Make it good and shiny.
Yeah. When it's dry, it's gonna be shiny. Uh-oh, Avery's crying.
Yeah.
Painting. Crying and painting and talking does not go good. Alright guys, so this is my stool. ABL, that's like for Abel. There's a little droopy dips right here. I'm not gonna touch it because it's just, bladdered. And this is our paint. I use black and gray. Alright, look. I'm not gonna touch it, I'm just gonna point it out. Look. This side I kinda went crazy. The legs are all black, but then I just went way weird. I went broke.
That's good, man.
Alright, guys, I'm gonna try and get Mom. I got numbers on it.
View of the world.
Just let you know what kind of paper it is.
Family.